When life gives you lemons, engrave them!
Wouldn't it be amazing to have one machine that can engrave and cut wood, acrylic, leather, slate, and have a blade to cut vinyl and more, and can also print and draw? You're not going to believe this, but the xTool M1 Ultra checks all the boxes. For the first time ever, you can downsize your craft space with one machine that's a laser engraver, inkjet printer, vinyl cutter, and rolling machine. Create signs, ornaments, personalized tumblers, gift tags, coasters, magnets, bookmarks, and so much more, all with one affordable machine, xTool's M1 Ultra. You can purchase the M1 Ultra with a 10 or 20 watt diode laser, but trust me, go with the 20 watt. There's a huge difference in speed, which will come in handy when you ramp up producing gifts for friends and family or making products to sell at craft fairs. And just like a Cricut vinyl cutting machine, you can use a fine point blade, cutting blade, rotary blade, and even a foil transfer tool to make your own beautiful creations. And this is the game-changing feature. The M1 Ultra can print. For several years, we've been saying Cricut should do this. And then we mentioned this to an xTool rep last year, and apparently they listened. The xTool M1 Ultra print module allows you to print on wood, cardstock, canvas, and more to bring full color to your masterpieces. No more wasting time painting. Since my colors didn't come out the way I wanted to, it looks like it's missing yellow. I need to do some further testing or replace the cartridge. Either way, it's pretty cool that you can print with this machine. The xTool M1 Ultra has changed the way we craft. You'll be blown away when you get this home and try it yourself. I am seriously impressed. Use our affiliate link in the description below and get one for yourself, or give it as an incredible gift for that someone special in your life. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell to get notified when we release new content. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.